Aren't they so cute? In this grand tutorial of Oxidized Jhumkas, sorry, in this grand tutorial of Navratri special Oxidized Jhumkas, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel. Today's tutorial is Navratri special, but you will ask, Aishwarya, this doesn't have any color. So these jhumkas are very versatile that you can match them with any of the Navratri outfit and dance all the steps away. And they're very lightweight and very comfortable to wear for the whole day. But if you still have to make now colorful jewelry, I have some videos. I'll give the link in the description or in the I button. You can watch them. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel. And soon we are gonna become the family of 1000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for all those who have subscribed. And if you aren't the part of this 1000 amazing and if you aren't the part of this amazing family of 1000 subscribers, do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So to make this gorgeous jhumka, we will take this oxidized chain like this and we will attach a jhumka using the jump ring. So just open the jump ring and add it in the last hole of this chain and take any oxidized jhumka in a small size butt and just close the loop with the help of plier. So always use the plier while closing the jump ring or any other thing so that it will attach properly. And in the same way we have to make three more. So I have made already, so two will be in small size and two will be in longer size. Then we will attach something different charm in the middle. If you want to add any charm or just jhumka, you can add them. So again take the jump ring and attach the charm over here and this will come in the middle. So this we will attach now to the connector. So I have taken 5-hole connector and this charm we will attach in the middle. Again you can just do experiment with whatever material you have. So we have added this cute charm and now we'll add the longer jhumkas first and then the smaller jhumka in the last hole of the connector. So again with the help of jump ring we have to add the jhumka. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. And so in this way we have to attach all I have added, and now we will add the stud to that. So I have taken the square shaped stud, but it's up to you that what you can do. If you want to if somebody asking me give me Devi shaped stud or something like that, so you can add that one too. It does the matter of so much experiments and things. So that's it guys, with these cute earrings are ready. Ta-da! And that's our second one. So try these jhumkas. If you face any issue while making this, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve your that query and others can learn from it. Do hit the subscribe button. See you soon, and till then this is Aishwarya signing off.